My GE window air conditioner won't turn on, just blinks 88 and every light blinks also. You can hit the power button and it turns on for about 5 seconds and then turns off again and beeps and blinks 88. Model 08-1.
When did you last replace the air filter for your GE air conditioner? Are the air vents unblocked?
The air vent is clean, unit is just over a year old. We live in mighigan, so it only gets used from May to Sept.
How long has this been going on with your GE air conditioner? What have you tried so far?
It happened last night when the power went out. I have tried to reset the plug power surge button, but that doesn't help.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No, like I said, it only gets uses a few months out of the year.
Hi, I'm Mike and I have 20+ years of experience in the home improvement field. I am sorry you are having issues. I'll be glad to assist you today. The issue is a communication error between the programming board and the control board. Unfortunately, the power surge from the power outage likely damaged the board and the main control board will have to be replaced. Although it is no longer under warranty, I would suggest calling the manufacturer anyway. They very well may send a replacement control board for free.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.